We're now ready to start Hasbar 2, 3 in Kedushin. And again, I want to give you the visual, because the Gemara's question is, now that we established that the word niknes, kinyan, koner, right, is the preferred way of talking about Kedushin, then why did the Mishnah in Perek Beis use the word mekadesh? It should have said, ha'ish koneh, the man acquires. Why does it say the man makes the Kedushin? All right, let's look in the Gemara. That's going to be our Hasbar. It's important to know, Hekdesh. Hekdesh are items that are dedicated and set aside to the Beis HaMikdash treasury, such as money, animals, utensils. These items that you set aside become the property of the Beit HaMikdash and are considered holy, consecrated, and its use is now limited to the Beit HaMikdash. Begin our Gemara. Again, we're in Kedushin, first parak, Ha'isha Niknes, and we are on Daf Bet Amid Bet. And the Gemara now seems to have established that the word kinyan, acquisition, acquire, seems to be the more preferred term when we're talking about creating Kedushin. So the question is going to be, V'nitne, why don't we learn Hasam over there in the second chapter by the Mishnah? Let it say, Ha'ish Koneh, that the man may acquire the woman, as opposed to Ha'isha Mekadesh, Ha'ish Mekadesh. So the Gemara says, you know why we don't use the word Koneh in the second Mishnah? So the answer is, Me'ikara Tanei Lishna Daraisa. At first, in our Mishnah that we're learning now in the first Perek, they use the Lashon, the Tana uses the Lashon, the language of the Araita, the Torah, ki yikach ish isha. We use the word kach, and that's from the Torah. Ubesof, but later at the end, when we look at Perek Sheni, that Mishnah reflects Tanei Lishna de Rabbanan. The Rabbanan used a different language, and for a specific reason. Why did the Rabbanan use a different language? Instead of kinyan, he used the word kedusha, mekadesh, umay lishna de Rabbanan. Why did the Rabbanan, change the lashon from the Torah, from kach to mekadesh? Because they wanted to make a very specific point. The asar le akule alma kehekdesh. By using the word mekadesh, it conveys that the woman, the asalo, that the woman is now forbidden, akuli alma, to all the rest of the world, kehekdesh, just like hekdesh. Hekdesh is limited to only the use once we set it aside. It can only be used in the Beis HaMikdash. So too, when it comes to marriage, when a man and woman enter into the Kedushin, when the woman enters into the Kedushin, she now is forbidden to every other man in the world except her husband. And that's what the rabbis wanted to come across, that when we come into the idea of a Jewish marriage, it's like Hekdesh. And one is limited only to one partner, their partner. Take time to summarize, do Hasbar, summarize the Hasbar, show me what you know, and we'll continue learning.